Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to create a QR code for free in PowerPoint. Now, QR codes are very useful, especially when you are working with events and webinars, and you want the viewer or customer to perform a specific action. For example, you want to register for an event, download a material, maybe fill in a form, or sometimes you want to check in guests or validate vaccination status quickly. And the best way to do that is to prepare a QR code so that the audience can quickly scan from their cell phone and fill in the information that you require from them. Okay, so let's learn how to create one like this one. Okay, so first we will need to go to Microsoft Store and install a small add-in. In the search bar, let's type QR code. Now the first one requires you to make a small purchase that costs a little bit of money. So let's choose the second one, which is free. Okay, continue. Okay, and let's enter the URL. For example, I'm going to type in my company website, CIOCFO event. Okay. Quality means how big the QR code will be. So I'm going to choose full size, which is 99 by 99 pixel. Now, and in here, you have the option of changing the colors. For example, let's play around. Red. It looks horrible. So let's stick to black and white, the generic one. Okay, and then click Insert. Oops, there are some errors. So in this case, don't worry, just copy and then paste as picture. And now we can make it bigger. Now all we need to do is to insert a text box underneath and ask the audience to register. I'm going to format it. Make it bold. Okay. And that's done. You can see that in just 1 minute, we could quickly create a QR code for free. And that is very useful when you are working with a lot of events, like for example, for marketing events, or you want to do a promotion and you want to create a QR code for that contains a promotion code, for example. Now, some of you might be wondering, is it possible to do it in other Office applications such as Excel and Word? And the short answer is yes, but it is not as smooth as in PowerPoint. For example, in Word, I've tested it out, but it always gives me problems. For example, let's try to do that in Word QR code. Okay, add. And it displays an error message. I've tried with several add-ins and it always like that. There's an add-in error, I don't know why. So don't worry. We can always do a workaround solution, which is to just copy and paste the QR code that we generated in PowerPoint and paste it. Now, and when you paste it, make sure that you paste it as pictures, otherwise it could create problems. Now we want to move it around, so let's choose wrap text tight, and it's a bit big, so let's make it smaller. Okay, and we're done. So that's it. Happy learning and see you in the next video.